this video, we will showcase 4 ways of creating mesh quickly, either surface mesh or volume mesh, and we will create it with and without connected bodies. First, we import a CAD, and then we use the measure tool to find out the general dimensions of our model in order to select the appropriate average element length size. After deciding an appropriate average element length size, we turn on the option Create Matching Mesh, which is available for Parasolid CAD format, and we click OK. After waiting a few seconds, we will be able to extract our surface mesh, which is with connect bodies. We zoom in a little bit and we go to review it. We do that by enabling the display option about the element non-manifold edges. And as you can see in your screen right now, it is the yellow line here. We go back. We start again from CAD. We select the two bodies, again surface mesh. This time we turn off the option Create Matching Mesh. We create new mesh, and this is our surface mesh without connected bodies after waiting a few seconds. Again, we display the element non-manifold edges, only this time there is no yellow line since there is no connectivity between the two bodies. And after all that, we are able to start from CAD and go to volume mesh. So that means selecting the two bodies, going into that mesh, selecting an appropriate average element length size, and we do not forget the advanced options. We do not forget the surface mesh parameters, and also to turn on the option Create Matching Mesh. We use the new tape measure and we wait a few seconds. We are able to check again the connectivity between the two bodies by enabling the element non-manifold edges, as you can see here, and again we can observe the yellow line between the two. Also, we can enable the cutting plane to see the volume elements inside the bodies. And then we can disable the cutting plane and the non-manifold edge display. Again, we hide our volume meshed bodies. We start from CAD. And this time we will volume mesh without connected bodies. That means that we turn off the option Create Matching Mesh. We select the two bodies, we click OK. We create a new mesh, we use the new tape measure, we wait a few seconds, and we have our volume meshed bodies once again. This time, if we go and enable the element non-manifold edges, we will see no connection. And of course, we can again enable the cutting plane to see the volume elements inside our bodies. And that's it.